Hello my legend modders and welcome to a new review video of 3D metal model from Temu. First of all, we can start with just metal sprues with a few details. As you can see, it's just metal sprues with details carved in it. So few parts here, as you can see, of course size for the tank, main body of the tank, some details, I think radiators here, of course here for the rotation for the turret, and of course rotation for the turret, like the bottom part. Here you can see top view with minor details, and now menu itself. It is really simple and it is like a photo etch model. So starting with a gun barrel, bending the turret to the correct shape, adding some small details, as you can see, completing fuel tanks. Here you can see adding the fuel tanks to the upper part, of course, adding some other details, adding wheels to the transmission, completing almost the whole body, adding tank tracks, and that's it. Thank you, bye bye.